Hey everyone, this is Shawn Hayes, and welcome back to another episode of Money Control TV, where we talk about all things money, how to earn it, how to sue it, how to save it, and definitely how to enjoy it. And so if you're watching this video, you want to know about the honey. Is it worth it? Is it really true because it's free? And so honey is a browser extension that automatically, right, get this, find coupon codes for you and apply the coupon code just for you. So if you're shopping online, this is a browser extension that you need on your laptop, your desktop, your PC. So hey, I'm going to show you how it really works, because it works and I absolutely love it. So this is a review from me to you. So hey, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure that you hit that bell notification so you be the first one to know when I upload a cool video like this to help you save money. And also, if you already subscribed, welcome back to my channel. So stay tuned. So we are back, and so the honey extension is right here. If you can see my pointer right here, it says honey. You'll see that little orange little dot, and it says honey has access to this site. And so you guys, this is something that you definitely want to have on your PC, especially if you are purchasing online. And so I'm going to walk you through the process, because the honey will be found in the shop cart. So once you begin to check out, it will go ahead and it will show up in your shop cart. So let me get on here and show you. I'm looking to buy an external hard drive. I got it right here. And so if I go ahead and apply that, right, to my shop cart, and if I just go ahead and say, you know what, I'm going to add to the cart, right? Because it's gonna be found in your shop cart, right? No, I don't want the extended recovery plan. And so here I am. So I'm looking at the cart because I'm not ready to check out yet. So if you scroll down, and when you scroll down, you will see where it says honey is checking prices. And so it's going to tell you the best deal. It's going to give you all that good stuff. And so look, watch this item for price drops. So it also watch items for your price drops. So all you have to do is sign up for free, the best deals. This is the best deal of all Amazon sellers. And so it will be applied in your shop cart. I love it. I use this all the time just so when I buy domain names. And so you guys, I'm going to show you how it does when I go ahead and buy domains for my business. So yes, you got to have this extension. It's absolutely free. So that's what a lot of people are like, what? It's free? Yes, it is free. It is free. So you got to have this browser extension. Let me show you how it pops up when I do a domain. Let's try that out. So let's go see how it does when we do GoDaddy. So I'm saying go honey go, and we're gonna research it. Let's see how that pops up. It's already taken. So let's go honey go. I'm just trying to find something, add to the cart. Continue with the cart. And it's thinking and it's thinking and it's thinking. Scroll down, continue with the cart. And you see honey is finding coupons for you. So it actually pops up, as you can see, that it pops up for you and it's saying, hey, coupon codes. And all you have to do is apply the coupon code. So you guys, you got to get this browser extension. It's absolutely free. So you guys, it's absolutely free. I love it. I love it. And so my review about it is get it. If you're selling, or I'm sorry, if you're buying online and you don't have to keep going to Google to find coupon codes, right? Or Retail Me Not. Hey, honey does it for you and applies a code just for you. So my review is get it. So, hey, drop in a comment that, hey, when you download the honey, and let me know. I'm going to put my invite code. So all you have to do is click the link, and then there you go on the honey site to download on your PC or your laptop. Talk to you later. See you in the next video.